Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a voiceover on this look right here. So if you want to see how I created it, then please keep on watching. Okay, for starters, we are going to put our hair up because otherwise it's going to be in our face and that's just really inconvenient. So let's just put it in a nice neat little bun so I look bald. And then moving on, we are using this glittery face gel. I don't actually know where it's from or what it does, but we're just going to put it all over our face. I think it's like a primer, and we're just going to rub it in and make it look nice and smooth. Next, going in with the Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. I'm just going to be filling in my eyebrows, mainly at the tails, because I say in every single video they're fading more and more. So just fill them in like so, creating that ombre effect through the brow, but also giving it a little bit of an Instagram brow as well. And then I set them in place with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 5. You could put this stuff on and your brows will literally not move. Not even in an atomic bomb or a plane crash. They will not move. They are there forever. Next, going in with the NYX eye base, I'm just carving out my eyebrows underneath, and then I'm going to put it all over my lid so that we have a nice base for our eyeshadow and something that will keep it on all day. So yes, we're going to use that. I'm using this single eyeshadow from Napoleon Perdis. I am putting that in the crease to give it a bit of warm, orangey, light brown effect. We are going for a very simple, soft glam look today. Like that, like so. Next, we're going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're using that shade. I don't know what it's called. I haven't used this on my channel before, but I really do love this palette, and I have just recently discovered that it has been sitting there. I have been playing with colors a lot lately, so I kind of forgot. So next, we're going to be carving out the crease, and I am just using Tarte Shape Tape because I find that's really easy to use, and it really sets like keeps the shimmery shadows on. So we're just going to put that all over the lid and make it look pretty. I'm using this shimmer shade and just putting it all over my lids. I don't know the name of it because I lost the thingy that tells me what they are. For eyeliner, I'm using my Maybelline, and we are just going to wing it like everything I do in my life and hope for the best. And most of the time it turns out uneven and wonky, but you know what? There's nothing that a little concealer can't fix when you do uneven eyeliner. I mean, you may stuff it up again, but that's okay. For mascara, I'm using Bad Gal Bang, and I'm just going to coat my lashes like so. And then I'm using these eyelashes from Cass Cosmetics. Check them out on Instagram. I can actually show you me putting them on for once, sort of. Not really. See, look, they're on. Look how cute I look. Aww. Next, I'm using the Rimmel foundation. And I'm just putting that all over my face. And, yeah, hoping, again, for the best. It actually kind of matches my skin at the moment. That's why it doesn't. Using Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, I'm using that as my concealer, and I'm just using it to highlight the points that I want to highlight. So just putting it on my nose, under my eyes, on my chin, and my Cupid's bow to make those plump lips really stand out. And I'm going to beauty blend them in. Beauty blend your problems away. I'm using the Cover FX powder under my eyes to bake them and to set them in place, and I do use it all over the rest of my face as well, as you can see later. So let it sit for a bit and then just brush it off with a fluffy brush. Any fluffy brush will do. And then obviously with the excess, just put it over the rest of your face to set the rest of your foundation so that also doesn't move anymore. For bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I really love this bronzer. I just put it all over my face and make myself look like being in the sun, but I haven't been because it's winter here. So lol. For contour, I'm using the Anastasia Pro Contour Kit. It is a great one. I have just recently discovered this and I highly recommend it. I love it. It's just really nice. It is kind of expensive, but look at the niceness it gives my skin. Duh, Max Fix Plus for setting spray. For blush, I am using the Pate by Tarte. It's just a mini one to brighten up my cheeks. And the NARS highlighter. I don't know the shade of it. As you can see, I waved at someone. It was my family. So I'm just going to highlight my nose. And then for lipstick, I am using these two. They have come in a pack, so I honestly can't give you like the shade names or anything of the lipstick. But the liner is shade Mauve by OXX Lips. So here's a photo video of me being in slow-mo, being self-absorbed and pretending I look hot. So I hope you enjoyed this. Okay everybody, that completes today's video. If you did like it, please leave a big thumbs up down below, and if you want to see more of what I post, then please hit the big red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you see when I post. I'll see you all next week. Bye!